Yo stud, what's up? So today we're going to be making pleated shorts. You can find the sewing pattern for it on my Etsy page, link in the description below. Should take you to this page. While you're there, you can also check out my other sewing patterns on the Etsy store as well. It will show up later. With this purchase, you also get a summary page listing what it's here. Let's see. Yep. Anyways, listing each sewing pattern piece needed and also the materials needed. So once you cut out all these things, you basically sew together the pouch and the back pouches together, the back side together, and the white to the pouch as well. The white's yeah. That's the summary page. A lot of instructions on the actual sewing pattern and also the summary page. So it should be fine. Yep, like I said, so the pouches together, the back sides together, and then the white to the pouch as well. And then you sew each of the rectangles as well together, or right sides together. Once that's all done, yeah, you just make it so it's all completed, a giant goes around. Oh wait, no you don't. Anyways, there's also a gusset to sew, but that's later, once everything's done. It's actually quite long. Wow. So this is how you do the pleats. Follow this exactly. The y-axis, the height for my it's supposed to be is 4 centimeters, and that's how you like pleat it. Make sure it's like exactly like that. So that's me pleating it right now. That once the pleat is completed, it should be in line with the cardboard, like exactly. If it's not, then it's gonna like look screwy, like kind of like that brown one right now. Like it has to be like exact so it doesn't look bad. And also make sure the direction of the pleats going is the same. So you're gonna do the left side and it's going in one direction, and then the right side should also go in the same direction. And then you just sew the top part so it's easier to sew later on. That's how you do the waistband. So basically it's just a rectangle. You cut out a rectangle. You measure the top first, the rim, I guess, the top rim, and then it's all in the summary page actually, and then you just like sew it sides and then flip it over and then sew it to the actual garment, then leave a gap, and then you feed through the elastic, and then you sew the elastic together and you check it back into the waistband, and then you sew the gap shut, and then you also do the gusset as well, and then you should get something like this. It's quite balloony. It looks quite like interesting actually. Yeah, that's it. You can check out other stuff on my Etsy page. Subscribe if you want. Thank you for watching, and later said.